Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, we have seen a good selling pressure in crude oil yesterday. So let us do this yesterday's analysis with NYMEX crude first, since Indian market was only working in the evening session. See friends, I had mentioned in my previous video, yesterday's video, that even though market was actually trading near to previous day's high, we were waiting for some pattern, we were waiting for proper signal. And even I have mentioned it can come down somewhere and somewhere near to CPR range, it can settle. But even though it tried to settle, but it was actually, there was a selling pressure and we got a clear pattern. Right? This is a pattern which we discussed during our weekly webinar. And then we got a very good sell opportunity, right? And this is what exactly happened. There was a good selling pressure till end of the market. Right. So in terms of price, let us do analysis with MCX crude. So MCX crude opened near to the CPR range and it was struggling near to the previous day's high. And the same selling pressure was actually seen in MCX crude also. Right. And there was a good selling pressure. Even it broke the weekly pivot level. Right. This was my first target, which I mentioned in my yesterday's video. And exactly it came and it broke and it was hanging near to that level during the closing time. Right. Now, let us see what is today's analysis. First, we will do with the daily candles. Daily candle, we will start with our NYMEX crude. NYMEX crude, you can see yesterday it created a big engulfing candle. Right, you can see that even though it tried to break the previous day's high, but it couldn't sustain there. Right, $80.93 it made a high, and from there all the way the sellers started dominating, and they took the price till the $77.06. Right, and it closed somewhere near to the low level, which is 77.58 level. Right? So this is a big engulfing candle, which is actually giving us a indication that the trend for short term, it is changed. Right, now the trend can be bullish only above this level. Right, and you can see this level is a very important level. I am yesterday also I told you there can be some retracement or there can be some profit booking. We need to be cautious at this level. Right, and this is what exactly happened. From there the sellers started dominating and created an engulfing candle. Okay, now even the closing was below 20 EMA in IMX crude. Now let us see MCX crude. MCX crude, even though it was only in the evening session, that was also a big bearish candle, and it closed near to the 20 EMA level. And this is also indicating us that it is a bearish trend, or the trend is getting changed. Right. So overall, now we may be looking more on the selling side. And if you check the closing time pressure, you can see there was a huge selling pressure in crude, both in MCX and NYMEX crude, right? So you can see even after our market closed, there was a selling pressure which continued in NYMEX crude, and even it broke the weekly pivot, and still it was coming down. Right, and this is the same thing repeat. I mean, up to the 11:30, even the same thing repeated in our market also. Right, and so since there was a selling pressure in crude, what we need to understand is that pressure can continue today also. Right, so first important support level, which is our demand zone, is 63883 level, which even we marked a very long back, and it was trying to take a support. Maybe from there it can have a small retracement somewhere near to the CPR range. So CPR range start from 6434 to 6481, 6434 to 6481 level, which is again indicating a wide CPR. So chances for a sideways day, not a trending day. But today being a Wednesday and we have a crude inventory, there can be a trending day also, right? Because it's a probability game, and the CPR every time it won't be the same. Sometimes it can work opposite also. Even though it's a wide CPR, there can be a trending day because of our crude inventory, right? And also because of the selling pressure which was there in yesterday's closing time. Now, which are the important level? Well, let us see. Now, the bullish trend we will look only above previous day's high, which is 6584 level. Right? If we are getting a good signal and with a elephant candle or rocket candle at a proper location, then we'll go for a long. Otherwise, the trend remains negative for the day, and the level below 6383, the next level will be 6303 level. Right, that's the next support zone. And even we have support, pivot support 2 at 6279. And in case if the after the crude inventory or if the selling pressure continues, even it can come to 6208 level also. Right, these are the important levels. And the same thing when you check the daily candles, you can see that I am, in case if there is a good selling pressure, I'm expecting up to this level, because this 6220, 6223 level, 2 times you can see it took a good support, right? When on day before yesterday, which was on Friday, basically, you can see that when the price came to 6227, there was a good buying pressure, right? Same way here also, we know that the candle, even there was a retracement candle, and when it came to 6227 level, there was a buying pressure, right? So in case if there is, again, if we are getting a good pattern for selling, first target, I may be looking basically for a 6227 kind of level, right? Then accordingly, according to the market trend, we need to see the price action and take an action, right? That's all in this video, friends. So important levels, as I told, CPR range, which start from 6433 or 6434 to 6481 level. And currently it's at important support level of 6383. Then we have 6300. Then important another level which I told is 6227 and 6209, this zone, right? And on the upper side, we will look only a bullish trend above previous day's high, which is 6582. And my first target can be 6638. And second target can be somewhere near to R3 level, whether we have a weekly pivot and the weekly resistance and R3, which is 66799 level. I'm not sure about on the upside, but I'm more looking for a bearish trend today, right? So friends, again, I may change the trend according to the market behavior during the live market. And that's all in this video, friends. So thank you very much for watching. Before winding up, I have a couple of requests. Tomorrow, Thursday, we have scheduled a webinar called Price Action Secrets, where you can learn more about price action, how what is the psychology behind support and resistance, which are the important candles, how patterns are getting formed, and which are the important patterns. The webinar starts at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. and it's completely at a free of cost. So the link to register for the masterclass will be there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Also, Friday we have Superpower Trader. There I am going to teach you about psychology behind successful trading and money management rules. So I want to meet all you for both the masterclasses. So let us meet. And also I have one more request. If you are watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button. Comment in the comment box what are the key takeaway, what are the other information you want from these videos, and share with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.